Hi, I'm Zac Pandl from the research team at Grayscale Investments, and I'm here to give you a rundown on the last month in crypto. Crypto markets produced solid returns in May 2024, led by Ethereum, as regulators paved the way for spot Ethereum ETFs here in the US market. Traditional assets generally appreciated during the month, as volatility declined across most asset classes. Ethereum outperformed on both an absolute and risk-adjusted basis, whereas Bitcoin was closer to the middle of the pack among traditional assets. On May 23rd, the Securities and Exchange Commission approved filings from a variety of issuers for spot Ethereum exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, a notable sign of progress for these products to list on US exchanges. Approval was generally not expected beforehand, so when news broke that approval was possible, the price of Ethereum rose by about 17% over just 5 hours. Grayscale Research thinks that the spot Ethereum ETFs will see about 25 to 30% of the demand that we saw for spot Bitcoin ETFs, which launched in January. For much more information on the state of Ethereum, please see grayscale.com/research. In addition to movement on the spot Ethereum ETFs, Congress made progress on legislation related to regulation of the digital assets industry. First, both houses passed a repeal of SEC Staff Accounting Bulletin 121, which dealt with the rules around custody of digital assets for traditional financial services institutions. Second, the House of Representatives passed something called the Financial Innovation and Technology for the 21st Century Act, or FIT21 Act, which will provide comprehensive regulation for the industry. Bitcoin's price also increased during the month, albeit by less than Ethereum, and demand for the spot Bitcoin ETFs picked up again after plateauing for a few months. From a crypto sector's standpoint, the financials crypto sector outperformed, and this may have been related to the Ethereum news as well. The Ethereum blockchain is home to most of the DeFi activity in crypto, or decentralized finance activity, and so positive news about Ethereum may have led investors to upgrade their views on DeFi-related assets as well. Crypto markets are benefiting from a variety of tailwinds at the moment, including demand for the spot Bitcoin ETFs, possibly more regulatory clarity for the industry, as well as rising activity in the Ethereum ecosystem. As long as the macro markets outlook remains benign, Grayscale Research thinks that crypto valuations could continue to climb over the coming months. It's worth pointing out, however, that markets are already priced for relatively smooth sailing. Measures of implied volatility, for example, like the VIX index, are at relatively low levels. So while our best guess is that the favorable backdrop will continue, markets could be susceptible to adverse news related to the US economy, to Federal Reserve policy, or to anything related to the US elections in November. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you next month.